Hello students. So this is part 3 of the series for the chapter Mensuration for class 8. I hope by now you have started remembering the formula which is being used in this chapter. If not, do not worry. Just go on practicing as many problems as you can from this chapter, and then you will start remembering these formulae. So today I'll be covering 4 problems for the chapter of mensuration. It involves cylinder, rhombus, and cube. So the first problem, let's go through it. A rectangular sheet of dimensions 44 centimeter into 15 centimeter is rolled along its width to form a cylinder of height 15 centimeter. Find the radius of the base of the cylinder and the total surface area of the cylinder. Now, since the dimensions of the rectangular sheet are being given, which is 44 centimeter into 15 centimeter, so we know that the length of the rectangle is 44 and the width is 15. What is the second part of the question? The rectangular sheet is rolled along its width to form a cylinder of height 15 centimeter. So it's rolled along the width to form the cylindrical height of 15. So what is the width of the cylinder? The width of the rectangle. Width of the rectangle is 15. So when it is rolled along the cylinder, it forms a cylinder of height 15. And let us suppose the radius of the cylindrical base is r. Now in this problem, you have to remember one thing, that when the rectangular sheet is rolled along its width, the length of the sheet becomes the circumference of the cylindrical base. Okay, so therefore, since we have the length as 44, so circumference will be equal to 44. Now if you remember, what is the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle, because the cylindrical base is circular, it will be 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r gives us 44. So r will be equal to 2 into 22 will come down. Here it is 7 into 44, which gives an answer of 7 centimeter. So this is the part A of your question. Part B is what? You have to find out the total surface area of the cylinder. The total surface area of the cylinder is given by the formula twice pi r into h plus r. The total surface area is twice pi r into h plus r, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7, whole thing into h. What is your h? 15. What is your r? 7. So this gives the answer of, you can do the calculation, it gives 968. What is the unit? The unit of r is centimeter. H plus r, h is in centimeter, r is in centimeter, so this whole thing will be in centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter gives centimeter square. So this is 968 centimeter square. Next problem. Lengths of diagonals of a rhombus are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. What is its area? Now, if you remember, what is the area of a rhombus? Area of a rhombus equal to half into d1 into d2, where d1 and d2 are the diagonals of the rhombus. So area is equal to half into d1 into d2, which is equal to half into 24 into 18. If you do the calculation, this will give you 216. What is the unit? d1 is in centimeter, d2 is in centimeter, so centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. Next question. The circumference of the base of a right circular cylinder is 70 centimeter and its curved surface area is 280 centimeters square. What is the height? Curved surface area is given by twice pi r h. What is this twice pi r? Twice pi r is the circumference. So curved surface area, it has been given as 280. What is this twice pi r, which is the circumference of the circle? As you know, the circumference of the circle is twice pi r, and in this case it has been given as 70 centimeter into h. So therefore h becomes 280 by 70, which is 4 centimeter. Next question. The volume of a cubical box is 216 centimeter cube. Length of its each side will be dash. So volume of a cube is given by side cube. So here it is 216 equal to side cube. So side will be equal to cube root of 216. 216 is 6 to the power 3. Cube root means to the power 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. You get 6 centimeter. So this is the end of part 3 of our series for the chapter Mensuration. If you have any doubts, please leave a comment in the comment box and I'll get back to you. I'll be back with more questions from this chapter. And till then, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.